Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing about union of a vector subspace. Suppose I have this as my vector space. Inside this big vector space, I have two subspace, one this and this. Now if I take a union of these two subspaces, will it be a subspace again? If my bigger vector space is V, the first vector subspace is W1, the second one is W2. Will my W1 union W2 is this subspace or not? That is our question. Okay. Suppose I consider two elements from the first vector space and I add it. The new element that is formed is still inside that vector subspace. Correct? Similarly happens for the second vector subspace also. But suppose I add the one element from the first vector subspace and the one element from the second vector subspace, then the new element that is formed, it will be inside V. But is it necessary it will be inside the union? It will be in the union if it is in either of them. So in the most of the cases you will observe that it will be outside of that union W1, union W2. In this video, we will be giving an example which is proving that union of a subspace is not a subspace. Okay, so we already know that M2R is a vector space. We have discussed about U2R, that is set of all upper triangular matrices, is nothing but a subspace of it. Similarly, you can prove that L2R, set of all lower triangular matrices, is also a subspace of it. And if I consider the union of it, that is U2R union L2R, that means collection of all upper triangular matrices and the lower triangular matrices together, will it be a subspace? Answer is no. Since if I add an upper triangular matrice is this with a lower triangular matrice is this, the new matrix which is formed, which is neither an upper triangular matrix or not a lower triangular matrix. Correct? So we observe that when I add an element 1 from the one vector subspace and another vector subspace, the new element form, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. That means a new element form, it is an element of M2R, but it is not an element of union of it. Hence we can conclude that the union of a subspace is not a subspace. This is a one example. If you know some other example, write in the comment box. Try to think of the different. One is enough. This was the simplest one according to your portion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel.